Duluth Sister Cities International has successfully established ties with a community in Iraq. Katie Anderson tells us how its newest relationship could have a major impact on the international arena, first tonight at 10.
Rania, Iraq joins cities in Russia, Japan, Canada, and Sweden on Duluth Sister City International's roster.
I wanted people here, people in my city, to feel like they would be their friends and to accept them as their friends. And so in that official capacity, the city said, yes, we recognize this friendship.
City Councilor unanimously voted to support the relationship with Rania at their last meeting. The relationship between Duluth and Rania is a grassroots effort to promote peace and understanding.
Peacemaking is not only done in the United Nations or Security Council or at high-level meetings. I really do believe it's done on the ground.
Sister City delegates Tom Morgan and Brooks Anderson traveled to Rania, and they say the people there are excited about the relationship.
Having been there, and I've been there now with 2 different delegations, it is huge for them. This means they are engaging the world community in a way that they've always been excluded.
The partnership inspired people in Rania to form their own organization to strengthen ties with other cities in the Middle East and the world.
It's kind of a ripple effect in many ways, and it gives us here in Duluth this wonderful opportunity to become connected with more cities in the Middle East.
Duluth Sister Cities Program and its people-to-people diplomacy working to spread cultural understanding around the world. In Duluth, Katie Anderson for KBJR 6 and Range 11.
A delegation from Rania is scheduled to visit Duluth sometime this summer.